Hey Transport Pros, it's Olli again. There's a bit of uncertainty concerning the second retrofit wave, which has a deadline of August 19th, 2025.
But don't worry, we'll clarify things.
First, you need to know if
You are operating a truck or a van that exceeds 3.5 tons in local transport. If that is the case, you need to check if you have a so-called smart tachograph of the second generation, version 2, in place. And I will now show you how to easily find this out. Now I will show you where to locate the key information regarding a technical print of the tachograph. Press OK. Vehicle. Print.
technical print. Here, in the technical print, you will locate the SW version of your tachograph. If the SW version displayed is 4.0 or even a smaller number, you must replace the tachograph with a version 4.1. In this context, SW version 4.0 means a DTCO 4.0. 4.1 indicates a DTCO 4.1 tachograph. These tachographs 4.0 that must be replaced by a tachograph 4.1 by August 19, 2025
were primarily fitted in vehicles that received their registration between June 15, 2019 and August 20, 2023.
We know that such changes raise questions, so we've put together information for you on our website.
You'll find all the details, FAQs, and contacts there to assist you. Alternatively, just scan the QR code located under the video to access the required information directly.
Stay updated and safe. Subscribe to our channel to catch all important updates. See you soon and take care.